Just gonna use a regex tester to convert this from this to something better. Or to Gradle, from Groovy to Gradle. So we're gonna do regex implementation. So we want not start quote, and then a start quote, do plus sign. Oh, this one is not a single quote. I'm gonna turn this into a single quote just so that it's easier to work with. There we go. Fixed. And then we do not a single quote again, plus, and this is what we're gonna want to capture. So we use parentheses to capture that. Cool. And then we can do substitution. So the Gradle version of this would be implementation. Did I spell that right? Implementation. Okay. And then followed by percent $1, which is our capture. And now we have Kotlin code without having to rewrite all of these lines. Oh, I forgot the quotes. My bad. You need to use double quotes because they're strings. There we go. Okay, so what about this? What's the conversion for this? Do I have this in my notes? Let's see. Don't see this in my notes. I'm just gonna try wrapping them in parentheses, and if it works, it's good. If it doesn't work, then we'll have to look into it. This Kotlin version thing. So this is Kotlin reflect. So I'm gonna extract this out into libs file because we don't make Kotlin version public. I don't want to make it public. So Kotlin reflection is equal to it's not called Kotlin reflection, it's called Kotlin reflect. Kotlin reflect, Kotlin version. So do libs.kotlin reflect. Okay, so that's a good portion of them. Import the BOM for Firebase platform. I probably copied this off something. I don't know what platform it is actually, but that's okay. I have no idea what a BOM is. Someone knows, let me know. Oh wait, I forgot the quotes. Build of some, no. All right, so this is Mark 1. So wherever there's a version defined, I feel like I should just like move this to the libs immediately. I mean, we're gonna eventually move everything to libs, probably by the end of the stream. But I just want to get this into a buildable state just so that I can test it real quick, which is why I'm not doing it for everything just yet. So this is Mark 1 core. Mark 1 is a markdown library for Android. Mark 1 core, Mark 1 HTML, and they refer to Mark 1 version. I'm gonna do close this. So implementation libs.mark1 core, libs.mark1 HTML. Oh, I just realized something. In theory, we could wait, do I need these? All right. I can technically just delete these dependencies and then I'm just gonna try syncing. Even though we don't have all, oh wait, oh, I missed some. But yeah, this way I can quickly see like what errors there are, even though we don't have all the dependencies. Oh, this is equals now. I mean URI. URL is equal to URI. URL is equal to URI. Not URL, URI. Pretty sure that is correct. Oh, cool. Welcome back. URL is equal to URI. Yeah, that looks correct. Okay. This should all be good so far. Let's try building again. Or not building again, but syncing again. Okay, so that's not how you define it. Okay, so what is a file tree? Kotlin, sorry, Gradle KTS file tree. Here. Do you want to see what I've been working on over the past year? Sure. Dir to libs include list of star jar. Cool. Site loads for me. I see Google. Let's see if this works. Or does it Google something? I see. Okay, so it opens it in a new tab. Nice. Are these stats to your own? To your local servers? Like this, like for instance, this Home Assistant. Is this your like local Home Assistant? I see. It makes you a little. I'm a little worried that like I'm afraid of like you getting hacked, but it should be fine. I mean, I highly doubt as long as you use strong passwords, I highly doubt anyone will hack you. But it's just a little scary that all your stuff is in one place. Otherwise, it looks good. I like it. Nice. Oh, so they can't like change settings or something? Is that nice? Well, it's not all, yeah, sometimes it isn't even about using strong passwords. If like something gets leaked, then it could technically just affect you regardless. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it looks good. Nice. Good job. Get default ProGuard file. Oh, needs double brackets. Double brackets. Okay, so that's good. Sounds like we're on the right track, so I'm just gonna keep going. So we need room next. Do you have Discord? Yeah. In fact, oh, did I not link it to the server? Or sorry, not to the server, to this channel. No, I have it linked to this Twitch channel. So you should be able to find a Discord somewhere. I think if you scroll down, it should say the Discord server. No one's in it right now. I've been doing this very recently, so I also don't think many people really care for programming streams, but I'm just like doing this because I have to work on this stuff anyways, regardless of whether I'm streaming or not. So why not try streaming for fun? Let me know if you can see the Discord server. Like I think it should be linked somewhere on the Twitch page. Wait, what am I doing? Oh my god, I need to undo all this. Cool, I see you just joined. Room room runtime. Welcome to my Discord server. Room compiler. Room KTS. Yep, I see you're high on Discord. I'm not gonna respond right now because I mean, currently right. I'll just like talk instead. But yeah, let's see. So this is the implementation. This can be turned into a libs.room runtime. This is room compiler. This is room KTX. Except this one's not compiler, this one's capped. Wait, is it still called capped? Let me see. It is still called capped. Just realized I was making that assumption when it might not have been true. Okay, so I can delete that. Cool, so we have this converted. This is for coroutines, apparently, according to my helpful comment. I don't need this comment anymore. Did you send something? Oh. So lifecycle extensions. So these two seem to be tied to the version number. The other one isn't. Let's just convert this real quick. In fact, it's probably const. That's probably why there are warnings everywhere. Probably all of these can be const. Yeah. It's gonna need to add const to everything. I can probably use regex for this. Actually, I don't even need to use regex. I can just look for val and replace it with const val, but there's not that many. I'm almost done. Okay, cool. So const val. What is this called? Lifecycle view model KTX. Lifecycle. Whoops, not capital. Lifecycle view model, all in one word. KTX. Okay, and this one's called const val. Oh, hello. I'm not working on. How do I pronounce it? Your handle? Dark int into cutie? Is that how is it? But yeah, I'm currently not working on challenges right now. I'm like doing a lot of I'm paying off a lot of tech debt. So currently I'm converting all my Gradle files from Groovy to Kotlin, which is the current standard, I believe, or current best practice at least. Cycle, lifecycle, common, Java 8. Okay, cool. It's converted. What do I need to do here? I need to refer to that. This is lifecycle view model, libs.lifecycle view model KTX. Thanks. Libs.lifecycle common 8. It's just gonna be a lot of big refactors coming. So after this, so how many more lines I have? 1, 2, 3, like maybe like 20 more lines of code to change. Assuming this works, I can start doing working on the modularization. So I want to like, how do I say this? I have a module right now that generates all the static data that my app uses. And then obviously I have my app in the same project. But like the data structures the two use are similar, and in fact they should just be the same data structure. Whatever is generated should just be whatever is used by the app, right? So I wanted to make a shared submodule, or sorry, not a submodule, shared module. Thinking of Git, that's that has all the data structures, so that if I change one, then the other change as well. Moshi Kotlin.